Guys, I'm just leaving the beach now and I need to wait for the buses to gonna take me to the place I'm going to. This is just more like a small village, a small area. So I'm gonna try to tour it. Hi guys, good evening. So now, I just finished swimming and I'm in this little village area, like here in Hong Kong. And I'm gonna try to explore it to see what's interesting around here and what the place is famous for. So let's go together. Oh, some beautiful music here, even though it's contemporary. Yeah, thank you.
Oh, you come Hong Kong for holiday?
Yeah, just holiday touring. I'm gonna be playing maybe for 1 week, and then after 1 week go back. Yes, welcome to my live video. Even though it's a little bit late, but I'm just trying to tour Shek O Beach Village, and it's a night tour. I'm actually don't know whether it's a road or whatever it is. But I'm just trying to get myself lost over here. My plan is to pass through the church because I saw the church. So I'm just walking through the villages in Hong Kong. Wow. So I'm just walking through. Oh, is this a temple? I'm actually looking for the church. No, it's not the church. I actually saw the church. Wow. I think I'm the only one around this area. Life is so cool, simple, and interesting. They usually plant a lot of... I'm actually a little bit scared because I might get lost. Oh, I can't. I'm just going through other people's homes. All these villages. OMG. How do I get out of here? Okay. Wow, this place is so beautiful. So there is the other part of the village here, and they often keep their shoes outside. For eating?
No.
Or just for keeping? Oh, okay. Hello, little turtle. Please don't hide from me. Oh. He doesn't want to. So I'm just taking a walk in this. They plant a lot of flowers here, and the place is so simple and so natural, so beautiful. Yeah. I like this village. It's such a good village. Guys, I was just trying to visit the local Hong Kong village plan, and really having fun here, but I think I need to change my direction because I think I've gotten lost in deep. I don't even know where I am. myself a bug again. Interesting. Let me try to go deep into the villages. Just let me check for the hotel here. Ooh, it's really crowded there.